Hi everyone, Mr. Benjamin here, and you have made it to the end of Redox. So today it's a summary of the different content in Redox. Okay, so let's start first. So firstly, we need to know Redox is reduction and oxidation happening at the same time, simultaneously. And how we can remember the definitions is using SHOE. SHOE plus minus plus minus. And this is for oxidation. So S stands for oxidation state, plus is an increase, right? H stands for hydrogen and minus is a loss. O stands for oxygen and it's a gain. And then a minus for E is for electron and it's a loss. So reduction is the opposite of oxidation. So opposite of gain is lose. Opposite of lose is gain. Opposite of increase is decrease. And opposite of loss is gain. Okay, we can also use OIRIC, which is very common, and OIRIC stands for oxidation is lose, right, electrons, and RIC stands for reduction is gain electrons, right? You need to know how to calculate your oxidation states, and you also need to know how to write your explanations. Okay, the explanations is the one that will fetch the most marks, right? And then we need to know that the test for oxidizing agent is to add a reducing agent. So add potassium iodide, which is a reducing agent. And when we add potassium iodide and it is a positive test, the potassium iodide turns from colorless to brown. So if it's a positive test, it will turn from colorless to brown. Then for the test of reducing agent, I will use a oxidizing agent. So I will add KMNO4. Right, I'll use KMNO4, potassium manganate 7. So I'll add acidified potassium manganate 7. And if there is a reducing agent, my potassium manganate 7KMNO4 turns from purple to colorless. Okay, so this is a brief summary of what you need to know in Redox, and I hope that has helped you with all the things in this chapter. All right, all the best.